दक्कन ब्लास्टर्स के चेयरमैन मन्नान खान इंजीनियर की जानिब से शहर में मेगा जॉब मेलों के इनेकाद का सिलसिला जारी है। चुनाचे रूप गार्डन फंक्शन हॉल मेहदीपट्टनम में एक और मेगा जॉब मेले का इनेकाद अमल में आया, जो इंतहाई कामयाब रहा। जॉब मेले का इफ्तिताह NRI मुमताज़ अली अकरम ने किया है। जॉब मेले में 50 से ज़ायद कंपनियों ने शिरकत करते हुए 150 से ज़ायद उम्मीदवारों को रोजगार के लिए मुंतखब किया। इस इवेंट को जेड स्पार्क, ASW डिजिटल मार्केटिंग सर्विस और विसास विजन के ताउन से मुनक्कद किया गया।
Good morning to everybody. This is Mumtaz Ali Akram. I am an NRI staying abroad since last 42 years. From day one, I joined with Mr. Engineer Mannan for his social causes, and he started his career to support the people in COVID-19. And from that day till now, he has done a very good and remarkable job, and he is providing job to lot of people from Telangana. Instead of caste and religion, he support to everybody, and he is providing the very good job, IT job, everything in every sector. Today also almost more than 50 companies are here, and lot of people got the job. I am really glad to be here to give the appointment letters to the people. I am really very happy, and I also humble request to our Chief Minister of Telangana to facilitate Engineer Mannan, that he has done a remarkable job, that he is providing job fairs every month around 4 times. So we request all the people of Telangana, mostly NREs, we request to our Honorable Chief Minister once again to facilitate like Mannan Khan youths, to encourage them, that he is providing jobs around every in job mela around 100 to 200 people they are getting the job. So he is doing a remarkable job, and today those who got the job, then my good wishes are with them. If they want to come to abroad also, at least they have 3 years experience. So once they get the 3 years experience, they can approach to Mannan also. Even I can assist them to got a suitable job in Gulf countries also. Thank you very much, TT News. We always appreciate for your support also we are doing to Mannan. Thanks a lot. Thank you very much.